Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
Hi guys, today is a Monday and my voice is a bit gone, but I have my economics class right now. I woke up at 8:30 a.m. today, super early, and don't tell me it's not early because it is early for me. And today is a Monday, so I'm very tired after like partying for 4 days like straight. So let's study in the class. So I just finished both of my classes, advertisement and economics. I just like have 2 classes right now. I don't know why don't I have English class because I've opted English. Not really sure. I'm also very hungry right now because I've only had like a glass of juice. This is weird. But I'll have to do like an assignment. I have a presentation which I have to present on January 8th. So I have a lot of time for that. I have like made the entire presentation. All I have to do is to write down the explanation so that I can explain it that day. That part I'll leave it for the end because I might need to change some things. Today's a little chilly. Let's just find out what the temperature is. What's the temperature right now in Celsius?
It's currently 18 degrees Celsius.
It's not chilly. It's super hot, but I bet in the morning it was really cold. I could feel it. But now it's not hot. But now it's not cold. 18 degrees not cold at all. So that's what it is. I have another assignment in which I have to write down 2 answers descriptively, and I'll have to do some research on it. So I'll do that and I'll complete the assignment and mail it to my teacher today itself. I don't want to leave it to later. The deadline is like 19 December, but I want to do it today itself, so I'll have to do that. Let's do that. So this year, instead of buying the physical hard books, I decided to go with the ebooks. So I have all of the ebooks which I need for my classes on my iPad, and I take the notes on my iPad as much as possible because I'm trying to reduce paper, as well as the thing is that these will be here whenever I need them and I won't lose anything. That's why I've kept it all over here. It's very convenient if you put your like textbooks on Google Play Books. It's super convenient. You can see it's like the page is flipping, so it gives exactly the textbook vibe and feel. So I prefer these. So yeah, it's really cool.
Your friends want you.
I was thinking about doing like a live session for CBSE students. I will charge like a little amount of money though, because I don't want some random people entering and just creeping everyone else out. So in that session or stuff, I'll be answering all of your questions related to board exams. It could be 10th or it could be 12th. Anyone in CBSE who is giving their boards could enter that. And I'm not really sure, but I think that will be really helpful for you guys. So let me know if you would like to do something like that. I will charge like a very minimal fees, like just 100 rupees or something, not more than that. But I was just thinking about that. So if you guys want something like that, let me know. So I'm giving my family Christmas presents, so I'll have to search those presents right now. But don't worry you guys, I'll also be doing a giveaway on this channel for Christmas, because you know it's the time you give gifts to other people, and it's like one of my favorite festivals ever. That's why I'll be giving away something to you guys as well. So stay tuned for the giveaway. And yeah, let's just do my assignment now.
I can see the finish line with you, it hasn't crossed my mind. Yeah, I know that you've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You question my intention. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. Yeah, you make me want to prove it. 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 You make me want to prove. I want to show you I want you, but I can feel you hesitate. I want to show you I want you, but I can feel that you're afraid. Oh, you've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You question my intention. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. You make me want to prove 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 it.
So guys, I finished one answer out of the two which I have to do for my assignment. It took me so much of time. The first one, it was very confusing, and therefore it took a lot of time, and I've completed the first one in like half an hour, the research, everything. I'll do it within like 15 minutes or so, but now I'm hungry, so I'll eat my lunch. So I'll see you after that.
Off kissing, yeah. Can I tell you a secret? Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling.
Hey guys, so it's a lot later now. I was so busy doing like some brand stuff. I got the time now. I'll be completing my assignment now, and I have to like check my mails and reply to mails, and I also have to like क्या करना है? I also have to send a mail to my university. So I'll do that after I complete my assignment, and then I'll be making reels because I haven't posted reels in so long and I've been missing it out, as well as many of my viewers have been missing out. So if you guys aren't already, then make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. It's Samriddhi Awasthi. I post short videos, funny videos on my Instagram. So if you love to see like funny videos of me, then make sure you go and follow me on my Instagram and turn on the post notifications. So yeah, let's go.
Even music on, nothing but you, backseat, white sheets between you and me, between you and me, yeah. Between you and me, whole lot of loving. Between you and me, yeah. Let's leave nothing between you and me. All I can think about is leaving here early to get you home, pulling you into me. Not even music on, nothing but you, backseat, white sheets between you and me, between you and me, yeah.
Update guys, my work is all done. So here is my work. This is the first page and then it's all filled up. I've written like after so long today because like I was in school, then I wasn't, so I write my notes digitally. That's why I've written on a physical paper after so long.
Looking back on the way I loved you, do anything, held no one above you. I make believe that you were perfect for me outside my dream. You paint a different story. I wish that I wasn't so blind to see it. You didn't hide the fact you were not in it. Not to mention the other bitches.
Okay, so my dumb brain didn't know that you don't have to keep it in there for that long. It would just take like 2 minutes, and it also sticks to each other if you don't put it on a tray, which is what I did. It looks hideous, but I guess it'll taste fine. So like you might be wondering, why sweet potato? No, why not something healthy? That's because I have eaten so much of junk food in the past week and it's not cool. Therefore, I'm eating sweet potato. Yep, I like it. I hated it at first when I was little. Then I ate it in my bonfire, which we do for Christmas every year, and I ate it there. Oof. I haven't added seasoning, that's why it's like this. Not cool. Is that dhokla? I have dhokla here. Let's eat dhokla. I just said like a minute ago that I was trying to eat healthy, but dhokla is so good. And if you're not from India, if you don't know what dhokla is, this one is a masala dhokla, by the way. Dhokla is like a sponge fermented cake. It's savory and it's super tasty. Super good.
Blow it every time, in every way. You ain't know ya. I'm riding solo. I gotta go. If you ain't know ya. Riding, 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 riding.
Watch my Christmas movie, which I watch one every single day. I try to, and I'm gonna eat my sweet potato now. It's actually good. You can try it. So I received this air purifier and this vacuum cleaner in the mail right now. Let's open it and see what it does and stuff. So very first thing that comes in the box is the motor, and there's a button which you can press, and it also adjusts the speed. So this is what this looks like. The next thing is the dirt trap or the dirt jar. and you can attach it to the motor by just putting it to the lock mode, and after that there is this pipe which is then attached to the motor and the dirt trap. Then the first attachment is the 360-degree rotating cleaning head, and you can simply attach it. Next one is this. It is 2-in-1, and this is the last one. It also comes with the charger, and by clicking the start button twice you can adjust and change the speed. The 4 dots above show the battery percentage, and you can plug it in to charge. The bigger attachment cleans the floors and the carpets. The next attachment is this, and you can clean corners by using this attachment. The last one is this, by which you can clean up the cracks and the nooks. You can simply detach the dirt bag the same way we attached it, and after that you can just take all of the dirt out. I did not have much, but you can see how I am doing it right here. These are all the things that come inside the box along with the vacuum cleaner. You can see it right here. This vacuum cleaner is easy to use as it is wireless as well as handheld. So once the battery is out, you can simply charge it and use it again. So simple, right? You can buy this with the link in my description along with my special code by which you can get a discount. Thank you so much to Harkin for sponsoring this video, and please check this vacuum cleaner out. The next product is an air purifier by the brand called Geek. It comes in a plastic and a thermocol packaging. You can remove that, and it has a one touch on button which you can click and it will switch on. But before doing that, we have to take out the filter from here, and it traps all of the dust particles and all the bacteria, so it's super cool. You can take out the plastic packaging from that, insert it inside and close it down. You can simply attach this cable to it and just switch it on. You can also change the speed by clicking it again. So this video began by me in the photo booth. It seems right that it should end that way. So I really hope you all like this video. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's quickly reach 25k. It will be amazing. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram to see short and funny videos. They are amazing. Like, I am not saying it, you all are saying it, those who follow me there. So make sure you do.